Hey guys, what's up? It's Frank here from Altcoin Buzz. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever in the world you find yourself. So today we are covering Harmony One, which is currently in 123rd place on CoinMarketCap. We're going to cover everything from the monthly chart down to the 4-hour chart, and I'm going to show you this one very important pattern, which is likely going to dictate how the price will react over the coming weeks. I'm going to show you where is the critical support level, where are the good levels to get in, whether that means we go down some more or whether that means that we break important resistance levels. Something big is going to happen with Harmony over the coming weeks. Now, for those of you who don't know, Altcoin Buzz is first and foremost a crypto investment research company, and we have been providing you numerous 100x returns since 2017. So if you want to get in on that action, join our Altcoin Buzz Access group, where we document up-to-date research covering undervalued altcoin gems, NFT minting opportunities, and our portfolio strategies. So click the link up above or down in the pinned comment section. There you will also find our Altcoin Buzz exclusive promotion with MEXC Global. $6,699 up for grabs, just 5 days left. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any future updates. And finally, please note that none of this is financial advice. Now, despite Harmony having seen a big retracement over the past months, many of you may be wondering, okay, how do we get in at these low prices? If you are a US customer and you're wondering how you can get into crypto, here is a quick tutorial from the MEXC Global Exchange for how you can deposit and withdraw fiat from MEXC Global. If you are in the US, start by logging in. Enter your email verification code. And after you are signed in, what you want to do is go and click here on Buy Crypto. To reach this page, we clicked the Global Bank Transfer. Then you arrive at this page. Currently, you can deposit using USD or BRL, the Brazilian real. Then you pick International Bank Transfer or a USA domestic transfer. Click continue, and then of course you'll just have to complete your KYC to proceed with the transaction. Now, if you want to deposit using debit or credit card, then you click this link, and here of course you have the option for paying with Visa or MasterCard. And then click continue, and again approve with the KYC, and then you're good to go. Okay, so if any of you have been investing in Harmony, or if you got in, let's say 6 months ago, I can imagine you are in a lot of pain right now. We saw an absolutely monumental dump here, 94% almost. This is actually a little bit higher than most of the other altcoins. One of the reasons being, of course, that Harmony is not a top 20 cryptocurrency, not even a top 100. And of course, the lower the market cap of the cryptocurrencies, the more volatile they are likely to be. So, of course, we did see an absolutely incredible 10,000% gain, but it's just to remind you that these markets are very volatile, especially with these lower cap altcoins. All right, that being said, on the monthly chart, there's not too much to say. We've obviously seen a lot of months of red, but on the weekly chart, we are starting to see something more interesting. First of all, we can see this previous weekly low is starting to stand out at the $0.017 level. This also coincides with the high volume profile here. In other words, a lot of people trading around this price level. So certainly if we reach that level, it will be very interesting. And another reason for that, of course, can be seen more clearly on the daily time frame. And that reason is that we are in a descending wedge over here, which is typically a bullish pattern. Certainly the bears seem rather overextended. We've seen a lot of oversold RSI on the daily time frame over the past few weeks. So my guess is that it's going to be time for a bounce pretty soon. However, there's nothing indicating that we are going to bounce right now. The real hope that we have, honestly, is that we get down to this $0.017 level and that we find support either there or below it at the next support at the $0.01362 level. Now, in terms of the more immediate support, we have, of course, the previous 4-hour low here at the $0.022 level. But really, as you can see on the 4-hour chart here, we are seeing explosive volume here on the 4-hour, continuing the downtrend that we are in. So really, the only hope for the bulls is that we reach these support levels. The other hope, of course, is that we break out bullish from this descending triangle, all right? So the interesting thing about breaking out bullish from this descending triangle, this descending wedge, is that we will also break through the 20-day EMA, this red line. And if you go to the last time we broke through this red line, we actually saw about 25% in growth. So breaking this descending wedge and this red line will likely see similar growth, probably more this time since we are so overextended to the downside. But really right now it's a wait and see for Harmony for 1 USDT. We have to wait until we reach these support levels that I mentioned, or wait until we break this resistance level. So what are the resistance levels to break? Well, on the 4-hour time frame, it would be the $0.02955 level. That would be the first one to break. Once we've broken that, there's somewhat of a liquidity gap, and we're likely not going to see much resistance until we get to the $0.03828 level. And thereafter, the next major resistance is at the $0.0481 level. All right, guys, that's been it from me for today. Don't forget to check out my other videos here on Altcoin Buzz. And again, don't forget that we have just 5 days left on this promotion. Very easy to take advantage of all the free money that we're offering. You just have to sign up for the exchange, deposit and trade, and then you're good to go. All right, guys, with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.